still some light inside me. And tomorrow I'll be going back to sea. Light is blowing on a sail.
This kind of place when you need to cross the river, you need to keep it 11 o'clock angle, then you will be other side, there's a flat bit, you will be there, okay? But in case you go there, you put 9 and 10, they keep you on the boat, even if you come straight down here, you get more problem, okay? When you head into that main current, you guys keep it your paddle here. Stick your paddle this side. Keep it to your boat like that. Don't try to paddle upstream. Okay? Only keep it on. Okay? Just leave it like this. Keep it right here. Don't try to paddle both sides. Okay? Last night, compounds coming little bit, no? Not compounds, okay. It's, you guys doesn't need to be paddle very hard. Okay, paddle, control and look. Okay, so I'm going from here. Okay. From here.
Swim in the gloom in a room where I struggle to breathe, where I struggle to breathe, where I struggle to breathe.
Keep going.
We need to get the snakes out of it.
Okay, stop.
You ride away on a different day, one you've never lived before. So with haste, go to somewhere you have never been.
Well, good morning everybody. This is our last day on the River Spey. No, the River Gandaki. Paddling off to the pickup today. And the boys are just loading the rafts up. The guys are just getting the kit on. And of course I'm almost on the water. It's been a beautiful night. Lovely food, good fire. These are the burial mounds where they've been burning the bodies on the side of the river. Then letting their ashes come into the river. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 burial mounds there. They're all the way down the river. See the vultures over there, eating some prey. Leave her to it.
You alright? Yeah.
We're only doing 100 metres. Boily, boily, boily.